Daming ideyang umusbong, pinapagana na lang. Kundi ako kumilos para ito'y sana na lang.
Yo, what is up mga G? Mapagpalang araw. Kamusta kayo? June 6. Pasok na ako sa work. Time check tayo. 11:24 ng umaga. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-vlog na. Dami nangyari mga kapatid. Dami pagbabago. Nasa ibang bahay na ako. Ibang location na. Ibang work na rin. It's a good day today. Na-miss ko kayo mga kapatid. Kamusta kayo? Sama kayo sa akin ngayong araw. Sama kayo sa work ko. Sama kayo sa biyahe ko. Binenta ko yung scooter ko few days ago kay Kulot. And naka-mountain bike na ako ngayon, G. Which is good thing. Na-miss ko mag-bike. Ewan ko, nanaawa na lang din siguro ako mag-scooter. But anyways, malapit lang din kasi work ko. It's a good day today. Kahapon maulan. Ngayong umaaraw. Sama kayo sa akin, G. Minutes lang yung drive natin, G. And we are here. What's up?
Yeah, what's up, what's up?
Kakape muna tayo ngayon, G.
Ano naman nilagay?
Nakalimutan ko nga kagabi. Anything about the cleaning you have concern? Is it good?
Keep this oneนะthe dog
Which one?
พี่ตู่ยังไม่มาแต่ยิงโตโต้ว่าแล้ว this one เนี่ย this one เนี่ย you forgot นะ you
Here?
forgot
Oh my God! Big deal!
ก็ forgot ไม่ดี
Yan na, magkakape muna tayo kasi alas 12 pa tayo, G.
Ay, may fried rice dyan kainin mo.
Kumain nga ako eh.
เดี๋ยวมาเดี๋ยวจะต้องไปเรียน walk อ่ะ
Libre lang yung kain dito anytime. Kakape muna tayo mga G. Standby tayo dito. Hindi busy yung mga tropa ko.
Why
He's
you
lying.
didn't know me, only Jojo? The guy knows you.
Really?
I'm telling him.
Okay.
New guy. I said, yes, he's a famous Filipino guy. Yeah, I know. I saw him in
หนู
TikTok.
ก็เคยอยู่หนูก็เคย
Why not me?
I have 11 million views.
แม่ไปจอดข้าง
Next time I'm gonna
ไป
dance.
แล้วหนูก็เลยกดนี่
Me also, I have a 1.5
Why?
person. 1.5 person. 1 half.
แล้วขึ้นเลยใช่ใช่เดี๋ยวมัน
I'm blagging, you know, blagging. Biscuit. Tapos espresso. Ang cashier namin, yung naka-shades pa yan. Pogi yun eh. Naka-self-made na damit yan, G. Self-made yan. Self-made yan, G.
ไม่ถึง
Alam nyo na, dami kami upcoming na t-shirt. Salamat sa sumusuporta at masusuporta pala. Mahal naman ni YLG.
วนแล้วก็กลับมาใช้เซ็นเตอร์เข้าเซ็นเตอร์
May oras pa tayo.
เพราะว่า
Okay. Na-addict na ako sa espresso. It's been like 2 weeks. I've been drinking espresso, man.
Bigyan natin sila ng trivia bakit tayo naka-self-made.
Trivia, bakit kami naka-self-made?
Self-made. Kasi hindi namin to binili. Ginawa lang namin.
Oo, kaya self-made talaga to. Literals.
Literal.
Kami gumawa nito.
Simple lang, men. Ganda ng meaning yan. Ay, namatay.
Self-made yan, G.
Self-made.
Abangan nyo yung mga papalabas namin damit. Ay, kahit di nyo yung labahan yun, 2 months, okay pa din yun.
Isampay nyo lang ng isampay, hindi na kailangan ano yun. Sobrang tibay nung ano namin. Actually, ano yun, gawa sa aluminum, light aluminum. Hindi siya kinakalawang.
Ba't late si P1?
Ha?
Si P1 late.
Nasira daw yung tram, nawala yung ano. May pinapasundo sa akin. Wala akong helmet. Thank you so much.
Sana hindi busy ngayong araw. Ako lang mag-isa maglilinis mamaya eh. Nagpa-part-time kasi ako dito sa work ko, man. Ito yung regular work ko. Pero after ng work namin, ako yung maglilinis ng buong resto. Part-time. 1,000 1 month.
Maliit na bagay,
20 days.
maliit na part-time. Ano lang?
Mga
Pangkapi
2 to 3
lang.
hours. Pangkapi lang, 1,000.
Pangkapi lang, 1,000. Samantalang yung iba nahihirapan mag 10 hours duty para
Sinasama ko kasi mga tropa sila kulot para may extra money din sila. Kasi lilinisin mo lang naman itong maliit na resto kusina for like 1.5 hour. But the thing is, closing kasi si kulot, closing din yung isang tropa. So, ako lang maglilinis na ito mamaya. 8 hours akong magwo-walk, luto, after yun. Uwi na yung mga kasama ko, ako na maglilinis. Ganun yung gawain ko ngayon, G.
Still use this one?
So, wala akong kasama ngayon. Sana hindi maging busy. Pero, kasama rin na kasi yung mga tao ngayon nasa seaside na.
Choy, nagtatawang pwede pa ba ito gamitin? Ano na lang.
Babalik.
ไปตามคิดได้ตาเลือกปานนั้นบ่เหลือ
Sasha?
Libre kain dito, man.
Bumili siya ng
Ng-
alak pa. Ako nagantay. Hindi niya pa nakakalahati yan tapos na yung ano niya.
Pad tayo.
คืนนี้ที่ว่าจะนั่งก็จะ
Binigyan ako ni Picho mo.
จะถึงมาแล้วนี่
Tama kasi wala akong kasama.
Stick mo ang lagay ng ano ng kape sa
Ah,
bahay.
we are the same.
บ่ไม่ได้เอามาเลยก็จะกลับไปอาบบ้านตุ๊กไอ้ใบไหนจะถุงกระเป๋ามานุ่งมานะ
Me, just finish this one. I put water, ha?
เบื่อยี่
ไม่ใส่แล้ววันนี้พลาดเก็บดีกว่า
Finish. And then I put water. Tumbler.
ก็ดีเจสปาเกตตี้
What? What is this?
Spaghetti?
สปาเกตตี้อีก
Wow.
Tengkwa, make it.
And then fried rice. Wow.
I don't have helmet. Police will catch me. Okay, I will pick up P1. And then when I realize what helmet she will use, maybe bucket.
It's a good day today.
Yes. You can remove. Sure.
ของใครอ่ะ
Pindutin mo, Choy. Pindutin mo yung nasa kanan mo. Tapos, hindi, sa kanan. Yan. Pindutin mo yun. Yan.
Stick. Wala yung ano. Ano ang Choy, ano ang magnetic dito? Ano ang magnetic dito? Ito o yung bakal? Ito? Kahit saan to idikit, basta may bakal.
อ้าวมาตามดีกว่าอ๋ออยู่กับเจซีนะ
No. Hindi siya basta-basta.
Nakalimutan ko, nagbablog pala ako, G. Tapos lang namin kumain. Solid, sarap ng pagkain namin. Yeah. Ang hirap pag ganito, G. Naririnig niyo ba yung kanta namin? Music. Tayo na, hindi ko maintindihan yan, man. Portal. Oh my God. Kain ni Choy yung ice cream mo. Yum, yum.
Self-made.
Self-made ice cream. Breaker. Don't tell me I'm a heartbreaker.
หิวพี่ซอรี่ค่ะ ไม่ได้ดูวุฒ
Yes
หน้าบ้านไปดู
Yes yes Now I have energy again
ไม่ได้ดูยาจะดูชาอ๋อโนแฮปเอเนจีกับมันแพ้ละ
My energy is like until 1 hour only. After 1 hour, no more energy.
โอ้โหโจ
Yes.
ทีนี้
What?
จุ่มอย่าไอ้นี่มานะมันถ่ายไอ้นี่ไว้อยู่นะ
20 minutes na lang mga kapatid, duwi na kami. Sila lang pala. Mag-release pa ako eh.
Dahil dyan, bibigyan natin ng jacket.
Likod ko. Aray ko. Ganda ng araw. Alas 7 na. Tingnan nyo. 7 no. Pero ang ganda pa rin ng weather. Yo, G, kakatapos ko lang sa work, no? Tayo na nakalimutan ko, nagbablog pala ako, man. Ngayon ko lang naalaala kasi nagbihis na ako. Ay. Tara, bawas na tayo, G. What's up mga G? Kakauwi ko lang. Bitin, ang sarap magbike. Lapit lang kasi ng work ko sa bahay. Namiss ko kayo lahat. Magbablog na ulit tayo mga kapatid. Hanggang dito lang muna yung vlog ko mga kapatid. Kamusta kayong lahat? Salamat sa mga nagsusubscribe sa akin, nanonood. And yun. Hanggang dito lang yung vlog ko, G. Day off ko kasi linggo Lunes. So check natin kung ano yung magagawa natin bukas tsaka sa Lunes. Sa Lunes, bibili ako ng bike ni Esme. And then, what else? Bibili ako ng monitor speaker. And then, check natin kung sino yung available sa tropa. Tapos, smoke tayo, tambay tayo, shoot tayo ng music video. And, yun lang. It's a good day today. Time check tayo. Anong oras na ba? Good evening na pala. 5 minutes na lang, 10 PM na. And see you in the next vlog mga kapatid.